Big up Crosses TV.
Crisis TV, no bother blood clot video me today, no. No bother video me today. No bother blood clot record me today, Crisis TV. Don't bother record me today.
So somebody when do they get locked up to kind of make my boy when you Christoph get locked up.
You
I
there?
mean no one. So no Jav one get locked up, one other guy named Christoph get locked up too. Can you say the two of them gang him and take away in watch. So then charge them. And we not go about the video is there. So I tell Christoph if you press back charge pan him. So Christoph said police saying figure adapter and then he press back the charge pan him. So that should go do. But the problem is what me hear say Jav from him send for somebody from Jamaica, one boy. So the boy must send the party. And if the boy see Jav and like Jav or whatever, maybe Jav the fire bigger rifle than she Fambo. So we had a call now a jealousy war. Saying things said Jav no, they looking people saying that's why I go fight the boy. And so she still
But
she
what
can't
like?
fight.
But Jav is a man, right? Him the verse, him a man.
Jav everybody must have some. I don't know about Jav saying
Yeah, but
everybody so.
Pamba man doesn't dress like a girl,
You know
Diary.
that
No,
me I said Jav never Jav is a man. That's why I asked me if Jav is a verse or
me no
Jav
know
is a man.
Jav verse what me hear, me no know because me never go so me no know. Why what me hear in the portrait on the internet in sound verse.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
okay.
So I cast the
He
dilemma
say my
below.
verse. Them say.
And he say my verse. When you remember him and the other person that even call him name, usually cuss and him saying do with him. So at the end of the day.
All me know say them love call police too much because if me and you a fight Peter
I
and you
fear
willing and me
I
willing.
fear style. That's what she went see me when me there Germany. After come the war start, you know. She see me go to the phone shop, she take out her phone and start cuss me say, girl, if you video me, you don't go at it. Me tap a franc cuss, but if you Africa Germany enough for me, so you can cuss as all you want, but if you take out the phone and put it on me and that she do. I mean she go down Jerusalem with me eat her. So she
I
walk and
understand
make
them.
problem.
So she go walk. I say him go walk
And she not no
lock up
status. And
everybody.
she not no status in America. I went just down get no citizen now because he fight and he have felony or what they want call you over there. Jav mother send for him. And him over there illegal internment. Blood clot. So they want but I make problem. Some minutes batty man.
But if
But them batty man there.
but
Then
if
Batman, when in time they come, when in time I come, and the pill make them head they get a water. The pill is a side effect from the pill.
really
The side effect from the
no,
pill.
So where
but
we are
Peter
spin,
Gunn
sir?
alive, Peter Gunn.
Eh?
In a real
Eh?
life, right? If you send for a man, which everybody knows that don't send for nobody, everybody know that. But you send for a man at Jamaica and the man come up.
Mm-hmm.
And when the man come up, the man in a one party and like Java and them something there. And you for
Mm-hmm.
control your man and you manage the
Control
fight.
your dog. And him if you control film big mongrel them, then blood clot sitting there. Job control film puppy them, because film mongrel want everybody.
You know,
Film blood clot mongrel want everybody.
I tell somebody say me want trans woman. Because not for sure. And get one
There
of
if
the
you go
man
from
them
boy,
because
you know,
them
man.
no, them man that take care of them partners and not for sure that say them a win and we as straight woman now win. Because if me and my man now want that, so my man I go flirt with our next woman. Me not blame the next woman and my man me take a buckle and slap him and say pussy away I do it. You can't really dog me thing.
But Jack that time inside of the can you go for mash up Macy party and Macy birthday dinner and she go in there so I mean no Macy invite them a bagger batty man there. But she forget it too. Mm-hmm. That Macy if you want to pan your ear that Macy. You forget it too. Because you can't see from the war, Jack that time inside. So now I go back now, because I know I'm getting battering from inside now. So I go back for job. But you might know bad girl, because if you're a bad girl, you go with tick for beat job. You should turn up in the run like a blood clot, come a little jetta. You should tell the road like a come a little jetta. If you turn up and war job.
Say 1 month ago, I see him thing happen with him. Yeah, that's why every month,
As,
farmer be a cake, or farmer go and be a cake. And stop
ta-
call police for
me
people.
tell you already, then I start to see one get up America, but he not go get it.
England alone that work.
Okay, that he want do. He want mash
Me
up
now ever
people.
understand how people want pick fight with you, and you fight them. Just like the Destiny just come in, like when Destiny and the other one that fight. And then call police. Stand your ground.
No, then no. Somebody go call police because somebody can't fight. Somebody police
I am
pay.
savage about the mix up because you know exactly what Peter John mean. He says good for Macy because Macy should carry them the bagger people that come our event. That is a Jamaican old time
Exactly.
saying. Nobody come here so with the mix up. I can't do it
And
a
that
long
me
time to
say.
come out.
I thought we talk of that me say. Macy if he
There's
invite
no way that
any
indicate
listen.
malicious intent with Peter John.
Exactly. Me no business who want Macy want invite time party, but at the end of the day,
It's
if
just
you
a
know so some
saying.
people problematic diary, you better even if you don't invite them one and say listen here, me I keep me event. Cause everywhere you go, people look upon them bad in America. Cause nobody not gonna rent the venue. Everywhere you go, you come, they mash up the people in place and a good classy restaurant. They be say people go on, they may dirty life in their restaurant, talk truth
So
diary.
in a restaurant, if it's fight,
Yes, right in there.
dance.
All the woman birthday cake kick off. And the woman
Yeah,
cupcake them or something kick off. Them dirty later. But dirty girl, very dirty girl, so you know, make that classy, you know. Oh.
No, sir. I don't laugh.
murder she wrote.
Well, the
What
woman
you
blood clot.
say?
The woman if you get making wish, you see if you go find a man.
What you
Yeah.
say? Yeah, flicker.
A bad man, the dirty
I
batty man,
die.
bad man. That's
Messi look Ross good enough.
why I push off the woman cake. A bad man, so batty
Yeah,
man
man, she look
evil.
real nice. Me not tell a lie. I'm like her dress.
Me say
Look, I never see it. I have to look.
some batty man
Oh,
evil
Yeah, she
man.
look
diary.
I'm
real
Then see the
gonna
nice.
woman,
put up on
then see the woman
the
go in.
fashion page, you know.
Then see the
Me
woman
da
go.
watch her for shadow her ear. And then till she look
Them a
real
Baba
nice.
come out. Other girl them the party look good. I just see one crosses blood clot. Batman me no got a weapon for kill him.
Miss P said, Macy have to pay for the damages what they do.
I saw you go.
Yeah, for our restaurant, they
Yes,
in the most.
I want restaurant man. I want venue. One nice classic restaurant bar or something.
Wow.
It's
Yeah.
Darry, you see when she come in and when she name that thing, it's so nice.
Oh,
I mean I watch it.
Yeah.
So
I can you see that thing? Somebody now one black.
Yeah,
Eh?
I'll trade them in the fling. I'll trade
Yeah,
them in the fling for
get
true.
looking at them head with cheer and stuff.
Yeah. I'll be on Christoph. I make Christoph send a press charge for the dirty nasty thinking keen. Because him take chair and lick him, but a party when the party fight and lick him. So me say Christoph press charge pan him. Make then lock him up. What doctor? I doctor certificate and press charge pan him. Eye for an eye. You the boy the fight.
Lord God, me like Pamba, me like Jav.
Me love Famba. Australia and the name first, you know. And it changed
Wanna.
the name to
Me
Famba.
like
Me like
everybody.
Famba.
I
Me
do.
not know nobody. Me just what me I say is if you're a bad girl and you start a war,
Me
defend
like it too.
and done.
Because me like hear when job talk.
When it's
But
such a Jamaican
but
from
then say job
Kingston
no
and them here
wrong.
they love police too much.
They say job no wrong.
That's
Everybody
true.
talks say
Yeah,
job no
everybody
wrong.
say a Pamba wrong.
Your pussy, your woman,
Control the jealousy.
woman
When you
pussy
call police for
liquish.
the boy.
Woman pussy liquish and everything in woman saying want. So control your dog, man. Control your dog. What you have.
No, sir, Peter John, them more bad.
I don't like if you're controlling dog, this will happen because it makes a job still young so nice. Just to say, you know, just if you pull no argument to the trial, that's what me hear. Or somebody when did they tell me. Because Christoph talked last night on the live. Because Christoph get released last night. It's dirty
Yeah,
Batman.
if job get locked up over the weekend, in can't come out. I must today ever come out.
Then come out last night.
But,
Maybe job come out
but
Because
today.
our
if job
Ross
come out
fight, them
last
do
night.
out our Ross fight, them do the mash up all one man van out a door, you know.
Yeah.
Who?
Yeah. This two of them in that fight and one run down, one run the van and then fire one lick up. Be excited for one van out a door.
You're there.
I say you want to prove a point like I'm a good Batman and somebody know about him. This And
But
that
when
ever
I
family
don't
like
sure
Barrakuta
them
State.
run, why them run go down like our road, like
Fambo
them run go
Road.
down.
And she don't take key, that you see
Fambo
that one of the
Road.
fan, but she ever they
So
run.
our
She ever
family
only girl and
run
run.
a family licky boy with blood clot stick.
Run like a
I not see
wounded
John take the
dog.
lick and take with the stick.
I ain't never go watch it. I tell you, I never know what
Yeah,
God. I go watch
John take the lick, him trip, and him then get up and start wrestle again with Fambo and the stick
But
drop.
the man of daddy van him could have parted too. Although then they come up on a scene so the man could even party man for the lick.
The man no
One long
want
rustic,
no
and where
lick.
they get the stick the from?
not part no girl. One time I used to do it. I not
Me
part
not
no
part no
girl.
girl. That's what me say diary. Every girl have to do them fish out.
Move your blood clot. I wet
I
them, so
like
I
it
wet them.
two of them.
Part with girl.
Hmm.
Next thing you can see me in the future and say, I'm all make people lick you. I have to lick your back. You're crazy.
That's true.
No girl. Me used to do that. Me used to do that little thing about partying. And me see where you go. I say, no. If you have fight, just fight and done. So what day some boy they go shoot one boy, I'm going grab one of the boy them come know them and I say, yo, he leader and say, yo, Bill man. And the one where they go shoot, me live to come see that the pussy will try this me. And
Oh.
no fight. The point your own.
That's it.
You can't dress up and look pretty and out the road and get in your feelings cause of blood clot, man.
Exactly. If a child when one you disrespect, if you respect a relationship, I'll do a bat. I'll
You
do no
can't
bat.
be that
I'll
girl.
I'll do a Batman no relationship. I think in blood clot submarine.
And Peter John, even if it's a situation where my man a flirt with you, I feel
Yeah, somebody
jealous.
say
If my,
Tea
hold on, if my
tea
man a
Tommy
flirt,
say and the
no,
party that go on
if
good.
my man a
The
flirt
party did
with
not
you,
go
I
on good
feel
for two.
jealous.
At the crosses, them are
If
going there. Human
your
party
man
did
a
not go
flirt,
on
if your
good.
man a flirt with the next woman and you feel jealous, stop, take a minute, get up and walk out and go and take some fresh air.
Even
Or
somebody
call your man.
case, exactly. Even somebody case to call out the people now and say, listen,
Why,
my girl, I
like
don't like
you're
what you're
you
doing
never go
now.
like them at 12 years old. These are some grown ass people in a somebody event. I behave so. That's why them say you can take the hug out of the pen, but it will always be a hug.
And I go back to that's why nobody no righted people at the nice
Even
restaurant
the wet
operate
name
them.
there, even the something the diary, the school uniform party, them all lock off that. Them no people in America not easy at all.
We not understand what I mean.
Gladly
Them
left our friend them
have
you
a
see.
school uniform party and then call police and lock off you.
Listen, I don't know what's going on in New York, but tell us I have a virgin right now. And the amount of job where I get a Bronx. And him say, I'm not going to Bronx. Bronx is a dirty thinking, dirty place. New York just come like everybody were bad, just each up there. It's not a good look. Cause there's no way. Peter Jordan, me cause every day for life. I'm say anywhere I see a pussy is on site. And you say, all
Yeah,
right. Anywhere I see is on
the
site. And
war
we
is
book
on.
each other in New York, for example. And me a war. When me I do I call police?
Exactly.
Because myself Queen Berry.
The Batman
I
across is
don't
them.
like people who like police and like it kind of itch my throat.
Police tete.
I don't like people who like police. I see three Mexican actually a fight yesterday, and none of them not call police. I think they were named police. You call you call police when you call police. You call police when I don't even know. I don't fuck with police like that, man. So just get banned yet. Lord God, you have to ask somebody for the panel, but I just have to find out them something here. It's a sanctuary state. I can't believe this. All the hell my man fear. My man, when I keep it, you just sent for the man from Jamaica.
Not
Just
even
slap
but
man
remember say at the
face.
same boy I see him boy when they cuss one in the Batman and then Tifali about say Tifali put fuck argument to him kind of many people when they have problem. I pay mix up. Batty boy they mad. I tell you they mad.
The boy gonna be the time. The boy I gonna be the death of him. You see?
But too bad.
Eh?
Him not no status in a blood clot America, cause they say he come from a first world country, so he can't speak silo.
Oh,
Him fambo.
He must have stay because Famboy is a good job.
But now we go, because shut up your
hold
ass, so kind of good job. Anybody that can a good job America, and New York.
Is it?
You can work
The
on
good
the
papers,
England.
you have to work in the hospital and them
You know,
place there.
hold
you
on,
know, unless
Peter
somebody social in the work pan. Come
Peter
show me.
John.
Eh?
Famba is not a Jamaican?
He might Jamaican, but he had, remember when he asked him get asylum in Germany? They can't seek asylum two places. You have to seek one.
Oh.
Oh, you understand?
Yeah,
Remember
yeah.
one,
I don't know his
system.
story. I don't know his story. Yeah, man, them need to clean up. They need to clean up out of New York. You see,
Him
the
very quiet.
Big you up, Barry. Okay, but
Bury my sister was around, girl.
My God, hold on. And the fact that two men a fight and not the girls, it's strange. They rang police, body on the ground. Sometimes you got Famba, me have to sing this here. Sometimes you gotta lose to win again.
That way you know, man. They usually name strainer before they call it
I say I don't know them people here. Me tell
You
you
know
something
him,
to
because always of him
Him keep on party. I think I lost him keep.
Karen, if I tell you I don't know somebody, I don't know somebody. I just saw him 1 or 2 times over post. I don't know him. And then I see him over Foley. I don't know him like that. It's like I'm chat up to Peter John and Queen. Berry and Destiny. I don't know these people.
You don't know him.
I want to know them, to be honest. We just go send that sell cake one time and Foley that tell we to buy.
Yes.
So,
And then my Foley went kick off too.
Foley kick off. For that, I said that's what Mr. Candy for that one day.
Yes, him same one.
I don't know him either. I just know who he is.
Yeah. I was. But so Candy, you know, see when you win the fight Tivoli, when you were in the argument with the one on Tivoli.
I never see that one there.
Donovan. But he couldn't manage Tivoli. Tivoli
Oh,
terrible game.
yeah, when the chat is smarty.
Yes,
Yeah.
I did see him trial again.
Oh, me know who him, but me don't know him like that.
Oh.
Me know exactly who Fambo is. Man is the family page.
But yeah, when him come on, me always like watch him not come like him.
Well, I never watch him. I don't know him. Like, if they touch it, I really shut up to everybody. I just keep it to who me know. Because I can't take a cussing and this and that. When you're too popular, you're getting too much problem. And I
Too much.
everyone is a friend to none.
Too much make.
Can't manage that right now. Then I was about that woman. What? I was that the about woman. Well, then I was about that the woman.
You couldn't ask me. Look
Hey,
at the child must have. You don't know nothing about the child.
He's brown and cute. That about him.
So brown is what?
Exactly.
The man browning.
Exactly,
Yeah.
Candy. What can I say?
Me don't know what browning is what. Me not brown, so you ask me that. Me just I tell the
No,
people
but
them.
the lecture brown being the light skin is a trophy.
Is that true?
I'm just telling you about the man.
Okay,
I'm just
then, so
telling
the
the
boy
person about the
cute.
man's man.
Show me the
Why would
boy
I think anybody
Gavel.
is a trophy? Do I look like a brownie?
Hey, one thing with you and Candy, you know, I'm not listen, you continue
Yeah,
to
well,
get the
don't try to fix nothing.
You're the two best then.
him name Kimberly was just come on a while ago.
When they.
I think so.
The boy
No,
Yeah,
I think
no.
that's the Donovan one, right?
Me not see him. I
Hey,
don't
one
have
Right,
one.
Barnum?
Yes.
One thing with you, dirty toenail Candy, you know everybody.
Come and love people
I
business.
don't go like it up blood clot. When you see me catch
I
you
know
on
who
the
they
lago,
are. I don't know them. Like you said, you don't know people. I know
oh,
who
you
people
know
is.
people, I don't